My guys, welcome to our segments. Okay, segments. We have 4 tips here at Sotera Okay shop. And now you're going to learn how to find a good types of okay shirts that you may buy at a very cheap price. Number one comments, mga good signage material like this one, mga rare items, mga G.I. Joes, mga Tommy Hilfiger, mga anak ba. So guys, muna number one, look out for. Number two, ang tela guys, my guys, kanang kuan kayo, kanang wapo siya, no? My guys, kanang murag po siya bugo. Murag siya ko mo, my guys. My guys, ito yung third vlog. Ang atua is tanaw ninyo ng mga daot-daot, mga tahi-tahi. So my guys, you see, kaninga mga guys, kaninga tela, wala siya niya, pero design na niya my guys. O niya, number 4 and last, hindi pa rin last, number 4 is find your way around and look for it. Fashion is something, so it's not like basic, just wanna find something. And lastly, my guys, sa inyong okay secrets is, my guys, manghangyo mo sa kasir. My guys. Kung tag 65, my guys, tag 50 na lang. My guys, muna na to ang segment sa okay, my guys. Sir Ken JTV. Take care.